Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the backpack balloon. Now it's not just any ordinary balloon, inside it has a special levitation technology for lightening your backpack. You can see this one here has the weightless logo printed on the front as well. So when you get it out of the box, it looks like this. First step, of course, is to charge it up with any old USB-C cable. So now that it's half charged, I couldn't hold on to charge for the full length, so I think half charge should be alright. But the next step, of course, is just attaching it to your favorite backpack like this, and then I'll show you the fun part in the next step. So what you need to do is press the start button here, and as you can see, now it is levitating, just like this. So now in the app I can actually adjust the up or down amount, so it will either go higher or lower depending on how heavy you want the bag to be. So in this case I've set it to weightless, so it's just hovering here. But you can set it to be, like a certain amount, so it's just a bit lighter on your back, or it's totally weightless like this. So as you can see, you do need to make sure the bag is fully charged, otherwise it will fall like this, and basically the special levitating fluid inside is no longer charged, and then you're going to have to charge it again. So the instructions in the manual do say that it's not actually strong enough to hold the weight of a full person, but it'd be a bit of a waste not to try, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this to full power. And well, you can see it's working, carrying my arm so far, and well, actually now it's actually, Overall, I did enjoy using this revolutionary new product, and be sure to leave a comment below what you would do with this product, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.